Every day, thousands of industries and vehicles are seen releasing toxic fumes that pollute our environment and contribute to the formation of ozone. When harmful chemicals are released into the air, they mix with sunlight and heat to form ozone. Measuring ozone levels is one way of measuring the amount of pollution. Industries are one of the many contributing factors to pollution. Others include vehicle emissions and the burning of fossil fuels. Transportation is the largest single source of pollution in the United States. Harmful pollution rates can have a negative effect on more than just the environment. They are also hazardous to our health, especially in adolescents and elderly patients. The health effects of pollution can range from headaches, nausea, and asthma to upper respiratory infections such as bronchitis or lung cancers. The development of these diseases depends on the amount of exposure. Now, let's flash back to the early 1800s when there was nothing but barren lands and clear skies. Several of years later, in the 1900s, Texas began experiencing its first oil booms and major oil discoveries. The Texas oil and gas industries were very successful in the year 1980. The ozone levels during this time were at extremely unhealthy levels of 115 points per billion. Throughout the years, the two industries that have contributed the most to high pollution rates in Texas are the oil and gas industries. For example, if Texas were to be its own nation in the year 2013, it would have ranked 12th in the largest oil-producing nation on Earth. The natural gas industry would have ranked third among other nations. As the population in Texas grew, the need for supplies such as automobiles also grew, contributing to more unhealthy levels of pollution. The Environmental Protection Agency has proposed several plans to Texas to regulate their industries. One of the plans is known as the Federal Implementation Plan. This plan was created to regulate greenhouse gases. Due to the Environmental Protection Agency's restrictions, high pollution levels have taken a huge decrease from present day to 1980, although levels still remain unhealthy. Environmental pollution continues to be an increasing problem in Texas and has a lasting effect on our environment and community as a whole.
Which company did you work for?
I work for Marathon Patrol.
How long have you been working?
I've worked for them a little over a year, and they purchased a refinery that used to be.
And what products is your company?
Well, it's an oil refinery. It takes crude oil and converts it to various products, gasoline, diesel.
Have you seen the growth in your company's production?
No, recently there hasn't been any growth for this facility.
Have any restrictions been put on your company by the Environmental Protection Agency?
Well, the refinery has environmental that requires a look at things. So that would be one of the reasons for not expanding the environmental.
Chemical industries contribute to high pollution?
Chemicals, there are some emissions associated with chemical industries, but there's emissions associated with a lot of things that really affect the environment involved. Like the automobile, for example, that's probably the largest single source of pollution. Largest source of fixed sources such as chemical plants that are a lot easier to go after because genetically, that you don't drive a car and you don't want to get it out. It's what makes less of it, so they don't use that as post that makes kind of
Environmental pollution is an incurable disease. It can only be prevented.